shift add 3 method. So shift add 3 method is used to convert the binary number to BCD. So convert binary number to BCD. Okay. So if we have a 15 is our decimal number. So to convert into binary number, so how do we what's the equivalent the decimal binary number of the decimal number? 111. What is the equivalent the BCD number of decimal number? BCD, what is the equivalent decimal number in BCD? In BCD, what is the equivalent decimal number? Which is 1 is represented as 0001, 5 is represented as 01, 0101, right? So now our job is to convert binary number into the BCD. Okay. So one point we have to remember in the BCD. So if the number is greater than 4, okay, if the number is greater than 4, then add 3. Okay, we have to repeat this process until, see, this is the main statement. Okay, first one is we have to shift the MSB of the given decimal number to the left side. Okay, we have to shift that MSB to the left side of the given number. So if the number is greater than 4, then we have to add the 3 until we have to shift to the left side. Okay. So 15, we have to convert it into BCD. We know how to convert it. So in binary number is 111. We have to convert this binary number to the BCD number. So like 001. We have to convert binary number into the BCD. Okay. Now our job is to convert BCD to binary number to BCD number. So first one is operation we have to do, then tens, ones and decimal number. Original number is 111. Shift add 3 method is states that to convert is used to convert binary number into decimal BCD, right? So our original number is binary number. First we have to do shift the MSB of the given number, shift to the left side, 1111. So again we have to perform the shift operation because the 1 is here 1 is less than 4. So we have to shift to the left side. So we got 3 which is less than 4. Again we have to do shift operation, then we get which is 7 greater than 4. We have 1 here. If the number is greater than 7, if number is greater than 4, then we have to add the 3. Then add 3 here, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, we have 1 here. Shift. If we shift here, then we get in tens column we get 1. So 0, 1, 0. We have 1 here. So nothing we have. Stop. So we don't have any bits in the decimal column. so we have to stop at that point. So this gives 1, this gives 5. So 1 5 is a decimal. So we started from binary number. So we follow the procedure to convert the binary number into the decimal number. So at the end we got the 15. This is the BCD. Okay. So access 3 code, you can call it as you can write it as access 3. Okay. So in access 3 code, first of all, decimal number, how to convert decimal number into the BCD means R8421 code. 8421 code is also known as a BCD. Then convert and add 3 to it. Add 3 to it, 3 to the BCD. Then you get access 3 code. Okay. Understood that? So if you have some decimal digit, if you have decimal digit A, you have to convert this A to the BCD. Then we get BCD plus 3. You have to add like that. You have to do like that. So 5 is a decimal number or decimal digit. Okay, we can convert 5 as into the BCD 0 1 0 1, right? So add 3 to it. Add 0 0 1 1. If we add 0 0 1 1, 1 1 1 0. Sorry, this is going to 0. 1 plus 1 means 0. Sum is 0, carry is 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay, 1. So which gives 8. So 5 plus 3, which gives 8. Okay. So our answer is 1 0 0 0. So 1 0 0 0 is a code, is a access 3 code of 5 0 1 0, which gives 8, which gives 5, which means 5. Okay. So access 3 code means no positional weights to the decimal digits. No positional weights to the decimal digits. So let's write down the table. Decimal number. Okay. Then BCD means 8 4 2 1 code. Next one is access 3 code. Access 3 code means we have to add 3 to the decimal number. If we have 0, then if 0 0 0 0, so If we add 3 to the 0, then 0 plus 3 means 3. So then 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 1 plus 3 means 4. Again, how do we write the 1 in the BCD? 0, 0, 0, 1. In XS3, XS3 code, 1 plus 3 means 4. 4, how do we write 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So 2. How do we write 2 here? 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So 0, 0, 1, 0. 2 plus 3 means 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. Let me rewrite it in a decimal number BCD and XS3 code 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So XS8 BCD is also known as 8421 code. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Add 0 plus 3 to the BCD. So then we get 0, 0, 1, 1. Add 3 to the 1. How do we write 1 in the BCD? 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So if we add 3 to the 1, so 1 plus 3 means 4. So 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. 2 plus 3 means 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. If we add 0, 0, 1, 1. 3 plus 3 means 6. 0, 1, 1, 0. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. 4 plus 3 means 6. 4 plus 3 means 7. 7 means 0, 1, 1, 1. 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. 5 plus 3 means 8. So 8 means 1, 0, 0, 0. So 6. How do we write 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. We add 6 plus 3 means 9. 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. 7 plus 3 means 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 0 means 8 means 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 1, 1, 0, 0. So add 3 to the digit. So 1, 0, 0, 0 plus add 3. 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 1, 1, 0, 1. So 8 plus 3 means 11. So 1, 0, 1, 1. 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is sum is 0, carry is 1. Then sum is 0, carry is 1. 1. So 1 1 0 0. So if you observe this table, you will get one thing. The XS3 code is the self-complementing code. So see here 0 is complementing to the 9. So 9 is a complement of 0. 0 is complement of 1 because 0 is complement to 1. These two are opposite bits. Here in 0 we have 0 0 1 1. Here 9 1 1 0 0. If you see 1 is complement to 8. We have the 0 1 0 0. The decimal number of the XS3 code is 0 1 0 0 is the complement to the 8. So 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay. So 0 is complement to 9. 1 is complement to 8. 2 is complement to 7. 3 is complement to 6. 4 is complement to 5. So hence XS3 code is a self-complementing code or reflective code. Okay.